Hi guys, it's Yoram and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a spring cleaning video. I've been meaning to do some more spring content, so here you go. But yeah, you guys are gonna be watching me clean up because it's very much so overdue. So please don't forget to comment down below, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm snacking right now, and I would say I'm about like 70% done, maybe 70 or 60% done. I have 3 more loads to put in the washer, and then I'll be done washing. I think I'm gonna bring down my blue cover and just let it look like a throw, and then I have to vacuum the room once I'm completely done because it's a little hard for me to vacuum the entire room. I know y'all saw me vacuuming a little bit, but I was only vacuuming the areas where I was moving the furniture to, so I wouldn't be like putting the furniture on here because there's like my hair on the floor. I moved my caddy from right here to there. And I'm trying to figure out if I want it there. I feel like my body's giving out low key. Yesterday I did glute workouts, so my legs, my thighs, exhausted, okay? I'm gonna sleep so good tonight.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller.
So, as I'm sure you guys just saw, I was very much so struggling to get that comforter inside of that bag, but it went thankfully. Today is day 2. If you guys didn't notice the change in outfits, I got so exhausted last night I couldn't finish anything. The last thing I did was that mirror right there. I went to bed after that. Today, I just put my last load of clothes in the dryer, put that comforter, that's the comforter I washed yesterday, It's officially dry, thankfully. The last thing I pretty much have to do is rearrange this just a little bit, or like clean it up. You guys can't really see, but like my books. Oh, honey. So I just have to rearrange my books a little bit, and the last final thing I will be doing is vacuuming because there's still a lot of hair around. Then I'll officially be done with the spring cleaning because I'm so sorry. Actually, I have to clean. I don't remember which mirror I wiped off yesterday, but I think it was that one because this one, the one above my desk right here, is looking a little blurry. I think that's the one because that one doesn't look blurry, but this one does. So. Hey guys, you've officially made it to the end of this video, and I feel so brand new. I feel so different. I'm so happy now. Just very different. And that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can see more videos from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. 안녕, 사이지엔. Peace. I love you and God loves you. Bye.